Ready to hit the road but worried about the potential bumps along the way? We've got you covered. Today, we'll share 5 essential tips to help you plan a stress-free road trip so you can relax, enjoy the journey, and make the most of your time on the open road. First up, plan your route but leave some room for detours. Having a basic itinerary will keep you on track, but staying flexible means you can stop for unexpected sights, cool roadside diners, or amazing photo ops. Some of the best memories come from spontaneous stops, so don't be afraid to stray from the plan a bit. Next, make a packing checklist. It's easy to forget essentials, especially for a long trip. Create a list that covers must-haves like clothes, toiletries, snacks, emergency items, and of course, entertainment for the road. Don't overlook emergency and comfort items like a first aid kit, water, and phone chargers. These can save you a lot of stress if something unexpected happens. Long drives can be exhausting, so plan your rest stops ahead of time. Stretching your legs, grabbing a bite, and recharging are essential for staying alert and comfortable. If your trip includes overnight stays, try to book in advance to avoid last-minute stress. A good night's rest will keep you energized for the next day's adventure. Before hitting the road, make sure your vehicle is in top shape. Check your tire pressure, oil, wipers, and brakes. Even if you think everything's fine, a quick tune-up can prevent surprises along the way. Pack an emergency kit with items like jumper cables, a flashlight, and basic tools. You never know when these might come in handy. Let's face it, road trips are better with snacks. Stock up on your favorites and keep a cooler handy for drinks and perishables. This will save you from unnecessary stops and keep everyone happy. Don't forget entertainment. Download podcasts, music playlists, or audiobooks ahead of time. For long stretches, a good playlist or captivating podcast can be a game changer. And there you have it. 5 essential tips to make your road trip as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Whether you're traveling with friends, family, or solo, a little preparation can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips from Easy Travel Plans. Now get out there and enjoy the journey.